Hey there! Welcome to Science Explained. Today we'll break down 5 of the most important physics topics in one simple video: motion, force, light, sound, and electricity. Let's begin the journey into the science that powers our everyday world. First up, we have motion. What is motion? Simply means a change in position over time. When you walk, run, or ride a bicycle, that's motion. There are different types, like linear motion in a straight line, circular motion like the wheels of a car or bike, and even vibrational motion like a swing. Speed is how fast something moves. Velocity is speed in a specific direction, and acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. For example, when a car goes from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour in 5 seconds, it's accelerating. That's physics in action. Next, we have force. What is force? Force is a push or pull that changes the state of motion of an object. It can make objects move, stop, or change direction. For example, when you kick a football, your foot applies a force, making it move. Even gravity is a force that pulls everything towards Earth. Newton's 3 laws of motion are all based on force. Without force, things wouldn't move. Now let's talk about light. What is light? Light is a form of energy that travels in waves. It lets us see the world around us. When light hits an object, some's absorbed, some's reflected, and some passes through. Different materials bend light differently, and light can even split into colors like in a rainbow. Fun fact, light travels at around 300,000 kilometers per second, the fastest thing in the universe. Let's move on to sound. What is sound? Sound is a wave that travels through materials like air or water. When something vibrates like your vocal cords, it creates sound waves. These waves travel to our ears and our brain turns them into sound. The louder the sound, the more energy it has, and higher pitched sounds vibrate faster. Last but not least, electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electric charges, usually through a wire. It powers your lights, fans, computers, even this video you're watching. Electricity needs a closed path or circuit to flow. We measure it in units like voltage, current, and resistance. Without electricity, modern life would be impossible. So there you have it: motion, force, light, sound, and electricity. 5 physics topics that shape our world. Which one should we explain in detail next? Comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining me on this science journey. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video.